Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a bulb in your BMW 1 Series. First, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off and the key is removed from the ignition. It's also crucial to let the engine bay cool down for at least 15 minutes to avoid any burns. Additionally, wearing a pair of clean gloves will protect your hands and prevent any oils from your skin from touching the new bulb, which can shorten its lifespan. Now let's get to accessing the bulb. Begin by opening your car's hood and locating the back of the headlight unit you need to work on. You'll typically find a round or square plastic cover that protects the bulb. Carefully twist or unclip this cover and set it aside. Once the cover is off, you'll see the electrical connector attached to the bulb. Gently squeeze or pull the tab to disconnect it, ensuring not to tug on the wires. With the electrical connector detached, it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on your specific BMW 1 Series model, you might need to unclip a retaining spring or twist the bulb counterclockwise by about a quarter turn. Once released, carefully pull the old bulb straight out. Now, take your new bulb, holding it only by its base, and insert it into the housing. Make sure it's seated correctly, and then secure it by clipping or twisting it clockwise until it locks. You're almost done. The next step is to firmly reconnect the electrical connector to your brand new bulb. Listen for a click to confirm it's securely attached. Then, replace the protective plastic cover, making sure it's properly sealed to prevent moisture and dirt from entering the headlight unit. Finally, close your car's hood and turn on your headlights to test the new bulb. Confirm that it illuminates correctly and matches the other headlight's brightness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.